Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Monday.com to track client feedback. This is your complete 2025 guide. First up, we're creating a new board dedicated to client feedback. This is the hub where you'll manage all the responses coming in from your clients. Having a dedicated board helps you avoid clutter and stay organized. Now that we've done that, we're setting up columns for each step in the feedback process. These might include new, in review, resolved, and archived. The reason we do this is to visualize the workflow of each piece of feedback from the moment it comes in until it's successfully addressed. Next up, let's add in our feedback items. Each piece of feedback from a client becomes an item on our board. This helps us because it breaks down the feedback into manageable chunks that we can assign, schedule, and prioritize. Moving on, we're going to assign these feedback items to team members. Monday.com's excellent for this because it allows for clear responsibilities. Let me explain why this matters. When team members know exactly what they are responsible for, it reduces confusion and speeds up the feedback resolution process. Now, our last major step is to track the progress of each item. With Monday.com's status column, we can easily update the status of each piece of feedback as it moves through our process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you update the status, everyone on the team can see the progress in real time. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. And that, in a nutshell, is how you use Monday.com to track client feedback. It's all about setting up a clear, easy-to-follow system that keeps everyone accountable and informed. Remember, the key is to stay organized and keep communication lines open. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for more practical guides.